Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn from here to there. Lesson number 11 from EVS Looking Around book of CBSE class 3rd. So let's start from the train. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard the chugging train. Blow your whistles and take your seats. On to shoulders if you please. Forward, backward, backward, forward, but in a line. Don't run outward. Stay in line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuk 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 chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. On the roads of iron, we move to and fro. Here come the lights, and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills. Past aging farmers, temples, mills. Past village, wells, and a lush green field. With broken walls and a potato field. See students, in this poem, poet says, come on children, let's play a game, the train. For that we want to climb the chugging train. And you can blow your whistles and take your seats onto your shoulder if you want. Forward, backward, backward, forward. You want to run in line, you don't want to go out of the line. Stay in line and shut your eyes. And never open your eyes and don't do any spy. Spy means detective. See students, in this poem, poet says by saying juk juk and taking stop on all the station, the train is going on its iron road. Train is going with its lights and passing the hills, temples, mills, aging farmers and across the meadows. Meadows means grazing area for the animals. And then passing the village wells and lush green fields with broken walls and potato fields. Juk 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 juk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Smoky clouds, fears and crowds, village fairs, riders on mares, flocks of birds, clustered herds, bridges and paths, dhobi ghats, small tea shops, puddles and flocks. Chuk 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 chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. See students, in this poem, poet says, chuk chuk train going from smoky black clouds and from fairs and crowds. Crowds means gathering of people. And student, do you know village fairs like Ramnavami fair, or in different villages there is fairs on different occasions. Riders on mares. Mares means female horse. Flocks of birds. Flocks means gathering of the birds. Then cluster herds. Small herds where people live in the villages. And bridges and paths. Dhobi ghats. Small tea shops and puddles and flocks. See students, here we will see some questions and answers of this poem. Have you ever traveled in a train? When? Yes, I have traveled in a train when I go to my grandfather's house. Can a train move anywhere? No, train cannot move anywhere. Why? A train can move only on the iron roads. What is meant by roads of iron? Roads of iron mean railways tracks. In Hindi you can say rail patri. What places did the train pass by? Make a list. Meadows, hills, temples, mills, village, wells and potato field. Now we will see next question. Which all vehicles did the children travel in? Bus, train, car, boat, horse, cycle, rickshaw, oxen cart, aeroplane, metro train. Write in front of each picture what the vehicles is used for. In the spaces provided, draw the pictures of some other vehicles, write their names and what they used for. Are all these vehicles used for our travel? See the first picture. Hand cart. is used by various fruit and vegetable sellers to carry fruits, vegetables and other articles. Now see, mail van is used to take mail from one place to another. Now see next picture, cycle for the disabled is used by disabled people to move from one place to another. Now see next one picture is tractor. Tractor is used by farmers for tilling the field. Now we will see next picture. Double-decker bus is used to carry passengers from one place to another. Now we will see, everybody knows, that is ambulance is used to take patients to hospitals. And last one is school bus, our favorite vehicle, that is school bus, which carries children from school to home and from home to school. Student, here are some children who went to different places in different vehicles. Now we want to see what they are saying. We went to Shimla during the vacation. The bus moved on the zigzag roads on high mountains. It was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distances in Shimla. My daddy would get tired very quickly. We would make her ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoy walking. Now see, my khala lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a cycle rickshaw to go to Nani's house. Then we will see what says third number boy. I went to my Mamaji's village. From the railway station, there is no bus going to his village. So we went in a bullock cart. We crossed lush green fields on the way to the village. I love the sounds of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.